How to log in to Royal Mail Employee Portal. Hi guys, in today's video I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to log into Royal Mail Staff Portal. First thing you can do is open your web browser up and simply search for Royal Mail Employee Login. Tap on it and hit the search bar. Once you have done that, you will see this first link, log into Royal Mail. Just tap on it. Now provide your email address, so accept to their cookie preferences if you would like. Now provide your email address that's registered to your account, and then just enter your password. If both your email and password are correct, tap on this login button directly to log in with your account. And if you have forgotten your password, tap on this forgot password page, enter your email, and they'll send you a reset link. Just tap on it, enter your new password, and you can use that new password to log into your account. That's basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.